if you could help our fathers, you can help us too. It's too early to fail you, Jesus. It's too early to fail. It's too early. If this generation is as corrupt as this, what will we pass down to the next generation? It's too early to fail. He touched me. He touched me. And all the joy that fills my soul. Something happened, and now I know he touched me and held me home. Just the keyboard. You see, some persons sang this as a song, but some persons, it was the key to their encounter in the scriptures. I'm crying for my life. Something happened, and now I know he touched me and held me home. He touched me. Please touch me. And all the joy that fills my soul. Something happened, and now I know he touched me, let me go. I need no other argument. I need no other plea. It is enough that Jesus died, and that's He died for me. I need no other argument. I need no other plea. It is enough that Show me things you have hidden from the age to come. Ancient one, ancient light, show us things you have hidden from the eyes of pride, that I may not be laboring like a fool, that I may not be laboring like a fool, the labor of fool. He will reach them, he will reach them, the labor of fool. He will reach them, he will reach them, the labor of fool. He will reach them, he will reach them. Show me things you have hidden from the age to come. Show us things you have hidden from the eyes of pride, that I may not be laboring like a fool, that I may not be laboring like a fool, the labor of fool. He will reach them, he will reach them, the labor. He will reach them, he will reach them. Show me things you have hidden. Show us things you have hidden. Show us things you have hidden from the age to come. Show us things you have hidden. You're the secret place I know. You are hidden inside. Yes, in you I live and move and have my you're not found in an open place. Yes, you dwell in my secret. Yeshua, Hamashiach, Sabaoth. Elohim, Israel, Elohim, Israel, Yeshua, Hamashiach. clothed in fire. Elohim Israel, Elohim Israel, Yeshua HaMashiach, Sabaoth. Can our worship rise? He's seated in majesty. He's seated in glory. He's clothed